So today I'm doing a casual like get ready with me makeup and outfit. I'm just gonna do like pretty simple makeup today. I'm gonna like put my hair back. So I'm gonna start off with the base, and I'm trying out a new foundation, All Hour foundation, and it's in B40. That's the shade I asked for, but I think it's too light for me because look at this. I tried it out before and it's like really light, so I'm gonna mix it with my Benefit foundation. And a lot of people always ask me if I'm sponsored by Benefit, and no, I'm not. I wish. I just like literally love their products so much, and because I'm on their PR list, they send me quite a lot of their products, but I'm not sponsored by them. I just really love their products. I'm mixing that Benefit and the YSL foundation together. Oh, I forgot primer. No, we're doing primer. I can't not have primer. Okay, hold up. I'm never one to forget primer. Why am I doing this? I'm so fucked. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. Oh, I love the way this primer makes your face feel. It just makes your face feel so nice. Get that YSL and Benefit foundation that I mixed together, and I'm just going to dot that on my face. Cover my little Timmy's, because Timmy is a naughty boy. Buff that in. YSL concealer that I could use. I might mix it with my Fit Me. Put some Fit Me under my eyes. And like on any blemishes, like all over my face, down my nose. And then I'm gonna get this YSL concealer. Big Pineapple's coming up, Big Pineapple Music Festival in Sunshine Coast, and if any of you are going to Big Pineapple, let me know, because I freaking love meeting you guys so much. It honestly makes my day whenever you come up to me anywhere. Mostly it's music festivals when I meet you guys, and I like fangirl when I meet you. I'm not even kidding. I literally go like overwhelmed. I'm like, oh my god, like you watch my videos, and I get so, I literally fangirl. I'm not even kidding. I get so excited. I've met quite a few subscribers the past few festivals I've been to, and it's been so amazing. And like, it's so shocking when you see like your viewers in real life and that they actually enjoy videos. It shocks me that you guys like watching me, because I'm just so like, it's me, like I'm nothing special. I can't thank you guys enough, and I can't believe I reached 58,000 subscribers. Like, I'm so close to 60,000, and it makes me so excited. Like, I can't believe it. Using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, which I always use, and it's lasted me over a year, which is insane. Get a beauty blender and then bake under my eyes. And then I like to bake like places that crease a lot, like my creases all the time here. I'll be using the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. It's so weird though, because I've been doing YouTube. I'm not even kidding. I've been doing YouTube since I was 13 years old. It's just such a fun hobby for me. I literally don't think I'd ever give up on YouTube. Like, I just love YouTube. It's like so good because you can get creative and like show people how creative you are and all that stuff. And it's just like, for me, YouTube is kind of like a diary even. Like, say if I vlog and I'm like telling you guys how I'm feeling at a certain time or something like that, it's like a diary, it's like an outlet. And the good thing is that you guys like comment back and like say you can relate and stuff like that, and it makes you feel so much better that you're not alone in a situation. So I'm using the Betty Luminizer. This is really good for just bronzing up the face and just like putting some warmth into it. I was watching my old videos with Amelia yesterday. Some is so funny, but some I'm like, oh my god, is that even me? Because I was so shy and stuff, and I was not out there at all. And now I watch my vlogs and me now, and I've realized like lately I've just been with myself, and now I'm just so weird and stuff, and it's literally how I am in real life. I've met a few subscribers at festivals and they're like, oh my god, you're exactly like your videos, and that's exactly what I want. Like, I want you guys to meet me and already know me, because I'm exactly the same in my videos as I am in real life. I'm just really proud that I can finally be myself on my channel and stuff, because in high school and stuff I wouldn't actually be my complete self, but at the same time I wasn't really a happy person back then, so I guess my attitude was different, and how I like was different. Mary Luminizer, I just always use this. I've had this for so long. Like, you're a real OG. I'm just gonna put some on my nose. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, this is mine and Berkey Sync, so we let go. Oh yeah, with like everything really weirdly, and we call everything Timmy. My pimples Timmy. I call everyone a Timmy. I don't know why I say that. Like, I think I was drunk one time and I was like, oh look at these Timmies, and they're like, what's a Timmy? And I was like, my pimples. It's something me and Berkey do because we're weird. You guys would have some weird words and shit that you say with your friends and stuff. I always get my beauty blender and I like go over everything in my beauty blender, because I feel like it blends everything way better. I'm gonna get this Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer for just to add some definition to my eyes. Do you guys make that weird face when you're like doing your eyes? I just get the Mary Luminizer again, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. them live on Sunday. I'm so excited. I get to see Marquez and Nixon on Sunday. Easter, that's how I'm celebrating my Easter. Easter. Lipstick and nude satin on my lips. Okay, so this is the end makeup look. I'll show you guys the outfit right now. So these are the pants, and these pants are from Pop Cherry. Like baggy, comfortable, loose, and high-waisted, and I love them. High top platform Converse. This mesh top. So I got this top from a Universal store. I'm just wearing this bralette, and it's from Dolls Kill. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and add my Snapchat. The both just Aisha X Shah, and everything's down below in the description. Bye guys.